Welcome, welcome. We're so glad you stopped by to spend a few minutes of your day with us. Square has been on fire since it announced its earnings and new acquisition. Can I just say, Square is a monster and it just keeps getting bigger. So what about this other disruptive financial company named SoFi, short for Social Finance Inc.? Are we looking at a ground floor opportunity here, much like Square was in the early days? If we are, it is a golden goose opportunity. Is SoFi a baby Square? That's today's investigation. Earn more, save more, invest more so you can give much more. I'm Chase and this is the MoonShot Money channel. Are you ready? Let's go. We are not financial advisors, and this is certainly not financial advice. Please always make sure to do your own due diligence before investing any of your money. We love reading the comments from all of you. So let me ask, are you buying SoFi? Do you believe it's another Square in the making? Electricity, television, and cars used to be considered disruptive technology. Not anymore. More recently, e-commerce sites like Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy have transformed how business is being done. Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla aren't the only companies causing industries to experience disruption. Every aspect of the financial service industry is being rattled. Jamie Dimon, the CEO of behemoth JP Morgan Chase, recently told coworkers PayPal, Square, Stripe, Ant Financial, as well as Amazon, Apple, and Google were names the bank needs to keep an eye on. Notice SoFi was flying under the radar. New technology companies like Robinhood are making investing available to the masses, and online options for borrowing money have never been more readily available. Technology is just amazing. The two already mentioned fintech companies, SoFi and Square, are unsettling the world of finance. Both companies are demonstrating their unbelievable ability to grow and expand. Grow and expand. SoFi offers personal loans, mortgages, a commission-free stock brokerage service, credit monitoring, basic banking, and cryptocurrency trading. In other words, it's fair to say that every single day, SoFi is becoming a financial Amazon-like company offering all the products you need from a single source. We already know the one-stop shop is a winning idea. Over the past year, Square has been the go-to for fintech investors. After all, it's up over 100%. By using Square technology, businesses of all sizes can join the digital economy, which expands their addressable market exponentially. Farmers market vendors and flea market vendors are now flashing their digital abilities and accepting digital payments. Hooray for them. Square has also expanded into checking accounts and commission-free stock trades through its Cash App. Everybody is downloading the Cash App. Do you use the Cash App yet? While investing with Cash App is bringing in new investors, the limited selection of investments makes it less than ideal for experienced investors. Investors can use Cash App to trade stocks, ETFs, and Bitcoin, but they can't buy or sell mutual funds, bonds, or stock options. SoFi offers wonderful education tools and resources, as well as unlimited access to certified financial planners at no additional cost. That's pretty special right there. Will all that mean big returns for those of us who have bought SoFi stock? Analysts who are monitoring SoFi have indicated there are tons and tons of reasons to be optimistic. We believe from our research, this could be a very special little fintech opportunity. SoFi has piqued the interest of many investors like us, while other investors are stockpiling shares of Square. We own Square too. It doesn't have to be an either-or situation. Own both. You really can't blame investors for parking money in Square because Square has already demonstrated its ability to exponentially grow. With the latest numbers, it seems that growth just might be going on for years and years. We really do believe stacking shares of SoFi will get you in on the ground floor of what could, and let me say again, could be a very valuable company in the next 3 to 5 years. Indicators are pointing in that direction. Watch our latest SoFi video for more detailed information, especially with the latest run-up. Square is generally considered expensive and approaching the point of being overvalued, but many analysts believe that Square's price chart is steadily up and to the right. This is a short little video today just to let you know what our thoughts were while SoFi is having a small pullback sale. Make sure and subscribe to our channel on your way out and turn on all your notifications. Invest in this channel by hitting that like button before you leave too. You can connect and follow us over on Twitter at MoonShot Money for all the latest retweets and information from our team. It's important how much money you make, but it's more important how much money you keep. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give much more. Don't ever forget, if you're not interested in your money, someone else is. Have a blessed day. We'll see you on the moon.